Can you change your time zone in MetaTrader 5? What's up everyone, in this quick tutorial we're going to see if it is possible for you to change the time zone on the MetaTrader 5 account. But before we get started, don't forget to hit the like button down below and hit the subscribe button as well. Now let's jump right in. So the very first thing you need to do is open up your MetaTrader 5 app and make sure to log into your account. So once you make sure that you are logged in, your home interface should look something like this. You will see all of your quotes here. But if you want to change your time, you will usually find that settings on the settings menu. So just tap on the three lines at the top right. And then from here, you are going to just tap on settings. So as you can see here, there is no longer an option to change the time zone. You can change your language, however, but there is no option to currently change the time zone. You'll have to change the time zone of your entire device to be able to change the time zone on the app, but the app has removed the feature, and that is also not available on the browser version. So unfortunately, you no longer can change the time zone on MetaTrader 5. I hope you found this information helpful. If so, hit the like button down below and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.